Hello, my name is Patrick Faughnan, Head of Corporate Finance at TC Group. Here at TC, we support business owners who are considering succession options in the future and/or growth. Today I'm going to cover off management buyouts in a little bit more detail, as over recent years we have seen an increased number of management buyouts across our client base versus trade sales or employee ownership trust variants. Clients quite often ask us, how do we know if our business would be suitable for a management buyout? And typically there's three elements to this. Firstly, having a willing seller with market or reasonable valuation expectations. Having a strong second-tier management team, and that could be from either one or two members of management, up to we've worked on transactions with 10 to 12 members of management willing to take the business forward. And finally, the business would have to have demonstrated recurring profitability in the past and also sustainable earnings in the future as a going concern. Clients also ask us, why a management buyout versus a trade sale? And whilst trade sale can have some fabulous upsides, management buyouts typically have an increased level of control from an owner's or manager's perspective, increased level of flexibility in terms of structures and tax planning, and also there's an increased level of certainty once the transaction has been agreed to actually getting that over the line to completion. Management buyouts typically have a greater sense of business as usual following the transaction, where the management team who were in situ before may remain post the transaction. The owners may also stay for a period of time, subject to the structure as agreed. Finally, management buyouts versus trade sales have a light touch financial due diligence process typically, and also the legal process is a more light touch in terms of warranties and indemnities. As a management team typically would be involved in the business and understand what the ins and outs of the financial position and any liabilities. Finally, if you're a business owner with a management team looking to take the reins now or in the future, perhaps with one eye on capital gains tax changes or the risk of a political change in the near future, we'd be delighted to talk to you about succession planning and/or management buyouts. Thank you.